Hi guys, so today's interesting question is rearrange array element by sign. So if this question comes up in your interview, how you will approach this question and explain to your interviewer so that he will select you. So that I will show you in this video. But before proceeding to the video, let me give you a brief about this question. What does this question says? So this question says it will give you a nums array. This nums array will contain negative and positive number. Number of positives and number of negatives will be same. Okay, what will be given in this array? And what you have to do, you have to arrange those in some order. That order is first one should be positive, next should be negative, next should be positive, next should be negative. In this manner you have to arrange this. Okay, that is what the question says. But before going to the solution, I want to show you that this is my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe for this kind of coding related videos. And if you are preparing for your next interview, then please go through this complete Leetcode videos. Okay, these are asked in lot of MNCs, and you can go through single playlist. Like if you want only array, you can go here. If you want only recursion, you can go here. If you want strings, you can go here, and so on. I have arranged, you can go and check it. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So this is the array what is given to us. Okay, what is given in this example, I have taken that array for explaining you. You can see number of negative and number of positive numbers are same. Okay, if you get the count of it, both are same. Then how we will make or arrange it in a manner so that it should satisfy our answer. So there are multiple ways of brute force which you can explain. You can create different arrays, store positive, negative, and again put it in the nums. Okay, but I'm not going to explain the brute force here in this video. I'll be explaining you the most optimal solution what you can do. So for solving this, what we'll do, we'll simply have two pointers approach. So let me explain about this two pointers approach. As you see here, we have been assigned to do arrangement in such a order that first one should be positive, the next one should be negative. So that's why I have created two different pointers. One is pos, one is neg, and this is one array, maybe answers array, where we will be storing those. So first we have to traverse this complete nums array, and while traversing we found what this is 3. 3 is a positive number, so we'll update the positive pointer. And then every time it is, if it is positive or negative pointer, whenever you are storing anything, you have to do 2 times increment. So 1 time increment, this is 2 time increment. Okay, so next we again have to traverse this one. This is 1. So 1 is what? 1 is a positive number, so I'll update it here. Then again same 2 time increment, 1 time increment, this is 2 time increment. Then again I will go here and then -2. So -2 here, it will be stored here. Okay, as it is a negative value. Then again 2 time increment here. Then here you can see this will go to -5. -5 is again what? It is negative. So again I will store it here. Then again 2 time increment, 1 and 2, 2 time increments. Okay. Then what we have? Then we have 2. So this 2 we will be storing it here. Then we don't have that much space. So 2 time increment, it will go outside. Then again we'll increment here, that is -4. And you can see negative pointer is here. So we'll update -4 here, and that would be stored. So this is what we will be doing, and it will be also going outside. So this approach will be having, so time complexity here will be big of n, as we are traversing n number of elements, and space complexity is big of n. Okay, that is what we will be doing. So let me write the code. I'll create answer array where to store the answer, and I can store the length of it by writing nums dot length. Initially I'll store the positive index as 0, negative index as 1. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll simply loop for I equals to 0, I less than length, and I plus plus. Okay, and if I have to check the number nums of I, if that is less than 0, that means it is a negative number. If it is less than 0, then what you do, answer of negative equals to nums of I, then simply negative plus equals to 2 will increment 2 times. Else if it is positive number, answer of positive equals to nums of I, then simply positive plus equals to 2. Okay, that is what we have to do, and at last we'll return the answer. It's very simple. Okay, very simple. So you can see 2 test cases passed. Let me submit my solution. So you can see 133 test cases passed, and our answer is successfully accepted. So if you liked my approach, then please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Okay, and go through the complete playlist what I have. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.